Hello guys, today I have a beautiful story, Stop Reacting. If you like the story, please hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's start the story. Stop Reacting. Every morning at 7:30, Nandini walked past the same street. Same houses, same people, same looks. And almost the same words. Still not married? Already crossed 30, no? Waiting for a prince or what? Career is fine, but life? They did not whisper, they said it just loud enough. At first, years ago, those words hurt like sharp stones. Nandini used to go home, close her door, and sit quietly, replaying every sentence in her mind. Am I late? Am I wrong? But time passed, and something inside her changed. Now, at 34, Nandini still heard the same comments, but she didn't react. Not because she was weak, because she was strong enough not to. Nandini lived alone in a small but warm house. Her mornings were filled with music, her evenings with books, and her days with work she loved. She was not lonely. She was peaceful. One afternoon, there was a small function in the neighborhood. People gathered, smiled, judged, and talked like always. Nandini wore a simple sari and walked in with quiet confidence. And right on time, the comments started. Are you still not married? One auntie said, shaking her head. Don't wait too long, chances will go. Another added, girls should settle early. Someone whispered. Nandini smiled politely. No reaction. She moved ahead, helped arrange chairs, spoke kindly to everyone, and carried herself with calm grace. But then one woman laughed a little louder than needed and said, what is the use of all this success if you are alone? This time, Nandini stopped. Not in anger, not in pain, just stopped. She turned slowly, her face calm, her voice soft but clear. I am not alone, she said. The room became quiet. She continued, I have a life I respect. I have peace in my heart. I have people who truly care for me. Marriage is beautiful, but only when it adds happiness. Not when it is done to silence others. No anger, no shouting, just truth. I did not ignore marriage, she added gently. I just did not ignore myself. Silence filled the space. For the first time, no one had anything to say. That evening, Nandini walked back home the same way she always did. Same street, same houses, but something felt different. Not outside, inside. Years ago, she would have reacted with tears, anger, or doubt. But today, she chose when to speak and when not to. And that made all the difference. People will always talk. They will question, compare, and comment. But not every voice deserves a reaction. Sometimes silence is strength, and sometimes a calm answer is louder than any argument. Nandini had learned both, and in a world full of noise, she chose something rare. Peace over reaction. Peace over reaction. Stop reacting.